In this video, let me show you how to attack in Kingshot. First, go to the world map and scout for any available enemy troops. Evaluate the power levels and only attack enemies with lower or similar power for better odds. If you like taking risks, you can go after enemies with higher power, but it's not guaranteed you'll win. Now, once you're on the world map, select your target by tapping on the enemy city, outpost, or resource node. Make sure the opponent has no shields on because if they do, you won't be able to attack. Next, choose the troops and heroes you want to send and confirm your deployment. You can find multiple opponents outside your kingdom. Just look around and find a potential target. Then select your troops and send them off. Check the marching speed. It will show you how long it will take for the attack to land. If you win, the rewards are yours, and that's how you attack in Kingshot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.